Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. So we're gonna go into Repulse Bay. You can see all the housing up here. And we're gonna walk to the ocean right now. So, yeah. So, okay. So yeah, we could walk all the way down there, and there's a lot of people hang out in that spot. I think I usually see like fishermen types. So, okay. This is a lifeguard right there. And then we're gonna walk all the way down there, and there's some temples. First thing we're gonna do though is just walk down to the beach a little bit. So I guess that sign right there basically says swimming area. So that one, there's not supposed to be any swimming, but of course there's some people swimming. And then the Boyu is all this right here. So that's the non-swimming area. This is the swimming area. And what we're gonna do is just walk down the beach. And yeah, hopefully we're gonna try not to get hit by the waves. I got my shoes on, so to be kind of careful. So there's so it's called Repulse Bay. Good, the sun's coming out. I thought it might start to rain. It was raining earlier. So basically this side, if you go all the way down that way, it's more of the adults will try to go down that side, and a lot more adults go down this way. And in the middle, it's kind of more tourist, and you can see a lot of families right here too. A lot of tourists will come down in these big groups like this. So all these people with all their clothes on, those are all tourists. They come off of a tourist boat, and they pretty consistently come from this area, and they'll come down. So, okay. So we're just gonna walk. So, okay. So we're gonna walk all the way down to the end, to the tourist, to the Buddhist temple stuff. So, okay. And at the very end, there's like kind of a lookout area too that we can overlook everything. So if you're a person with kids, this is the part of the beach you probably want to go to, and then on the other side you probably see more people sometimes drinking a beer, different things like that. So okay. Sun's going back down again. Oh, this is gonna be, I felt like that was gonna be a big wave. So, okay. Yeah, but you can see all these kind of cool buildings too, so. Looks like they're preparing something. There's something going on. Oops, the water's getting kind of close there. So, okay. I don't know what the yellow is. I don't know if there's some kind of warning or something. Might be getting ready for some tournament of some kind. I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna keep walking down. Okay. All right. So it looks like the end of the swimming zone is coming up pretty soon, which is where this buoy is at. And once we get to the other side, we'll just walk up to the thing over there. There's the buoy right there, I'm gonna step on it. It's okay. Okay, let's see, walking down the beach. I think I've been hitting different beaches. I hit one in Sydney, Australia, so that's up on the thing, Colombia, Cartagena. I just put that up today. Probably won't get this one up for at least a few weeks because I'm kind of behind on everything. Got another beach in Cuba. I think I got some other stuff up there too. But yeah, the YouTube channel's growing. Today is June 9, I believe, which should be labeled. Probably won't get this up for a little while yet though. Alright, so we're gonna walk straight up this way. And basically I'm just gonna show you this temple up here. Okay, so now we have the whole beach right there. And over here we have the temple. And not many people in the temple today. Sometimes some of the tourist buses will go in there. Kind of reminds me of something like a Vietnamese temple. Something about it feels like kind of Vietnamese connection. I don't know though. I think the colors seem a little bit more there might be a tour bus here. I don't know. So okay, so we're gonna walk right over here and then you can see the water is kind of coming right up here. So yeah, and actually if you go all the way up here, you can actually walk all the way over there and there's another beach. You can just try to get up a little bit closer. So, okay. So yeah, this is all on Repulse Bay. I forget the name of this. Just gonna walk in just a little bit. I think that's I think this one is Guayin. Is the other one like that, right? Kind of see that right there. So. Let's see. It's a big one. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Overlooking the ocean. cool. Yeah, I really like that. I like that it's so intertwined with daily life. So, okay. So what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to walk through the thick of it with all the people with the camera. I think sometimes people are kind of curious, you know, like, because actually each beach has its own flavor. You know, some are more family beaches and some are, so there's no way to really see it unless you're right there, right? So I'm going to walk through the middle of it. And so the middle of it's going to be straight. Straight through this way. And if you look straight ahead, you can see all the apartments up in the hills, which is pretty cool too. So we're gonna walk all the way down that way. Yeah, pretty beautiful beach. Lifeguard. It's okay. We're basically gonna walk all the way down, all the way through here. Then we're gonna go to that lifeguard number 3. Then we're gonna angle back to the bus system. I think you had a pretty good sense of Repulse Bay anyways. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna get to number 3 and then angle over. Okay. So yeah, Repulse Bay. Okay. Just keep going down a little further. There must be some kind of competition here. They have I don't know. I'll keep walking a little bit further. And then we're gonna maybe at station 2 we'll turn back, and then you'll have seen most of the beach anyways. Is that right? Okay, so Repulse Bay. Yeah, this end looks like there's more Alright. I think this is a pretty good spot, so I think you have a good sense of the beach. You could walk all the way down, but I think I'm gonna head back up. So yeah, this is Repulse Bay. So, okay. We just stop right at the spot. Okay. So that's basically it. Okay, Repulse Bay. So here you go. And it's Sunday. It's different on different days, but Sundays mostly couples have the day off, so you have more Filipinos in the region too. So, all right. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.